you guys, GoldiLocsNC here, back with another hair care tip, and this video is about lavender. I just want to share with you all the many benefits of lavender, especially as it pertains to hair care. Lavender promotes hair growth, which means making your hair longer and thicker. It has antimicrobial properties, which means it helps to fight against bacteria and fungi, which can just happen whether it's based on sweat, dirt, buildup, your hair not drying properly over time, whatever the case may be. Lavender helps to fight against that bacteria. Also, when lavender is applied directly to the scalp, it can help and may even prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and also that dryness. Not to mention, lavender has a calming effect, especially based on its wonderful smell. So if you're looking for a really good lavender oil to try out, please check out our website. We promise you won't be disappointed. Take care.